The soul's love for God, which is this inner thing, frees one from oneself. And yet the freedom can seem like death as we die to the passion who we think we are. You think you goddamn Bobby Hemmett. You something else. And this is taking you back to the primordial realm of who you really are. A chaos God. You see, the lover makes the journey from separation to union, and the journey that begins with love and draws him back into love. And this love gives freely and yet a price, and yet at a price. The love has only oneself, the lover has only herself to offer. And this love is the soul demand. So in so many words, you are destroyed and annihilated with this shit. And once you annihilate yourself with this shit, you're free. You see what I'm saying? It's just like anything else. It's in the goddamn movie Fight Club. 2 movies came out. You got The Matrix. They put a movie out called Fight Club. What they did is, they fuck people up. So what they do is they'll put a movie out. Just like these curse words. It ain't registering to you because I'm cursing. That's why I do it this way. Break through. But they put a movie and they put all this violence in the damn movie. So most sisters, they go see them and say, I can't take the violence. They be beating up each other. But you gotta listen to what Brad Pitt is telling the guy. He said, until you give up everything, until you ready to lose it all, until you ready to give up, you can't gain this shit. And in the movie, well, shit's 2 years old. In the movie, there's 2 people, and there's 2 people in the movie, and there ain't but one person in the movie, the other is an alter ego. But if you listen to what Brad Pitt is saying throughout the whole movie, he's dropping on this shit, and he's telling the motherfucker to give up every damn thing. You see what I'm saying? Because the guy before was into the corporate world. He was trying to find out what bedroom signifies him as a person, and what dinette signifies him as a person. But he wasn't sleeping that night. He was going on these self-help clubs because he wasn't satisfied with himself. Well, the movie Fight Club, they got all these men in these corporate suits, but they're beating the hell out of each other at night because they're fighting against that goddamn structure of what the physical reality say who you are, but that's not who you are. He's saying that, say you're not your clothes, you're not your car, you're not your fucking house. You got to give up all that shit. And when you give it up, you're free.